Welcome to our new video tutorial, how to live stream your mobile gameplay to Facebook via OBS. After download and install OBS Studio, launch it. Once you are inside the OBS Studio, you will see there are 5 important columns at the bottom. To get started, we will focus on Scenes, Sources, Audio Mixer, and Controls. Scenes is for you to create different scenes to show your viewers. For instance, starting scene, actual live stream, or the ending screen. We will begin at the scene section first. To create your first scene, click plus. Example, we create a starting scene before actual live stream. We name it Start. Next, you will have to add sources to your Create Scene Start. It can be a picture, video, or capture card. Right now, I'm selecting image for start scene. Simply put a name for it. Find a high-resolution image that you prepared earlier on. The recommended image size is YouTube thumbnail size. Refer to description for video tutorial for creating YouTube thumbnail. Once you added the image, scale it accordingly. You can add multiple images, scale it, and even move it around. You can even add a short clip. Double-click to enter Properties setting. Check the loop column so your movie clip will replay after it ends. The sources shown from top to bottom is based on the sequence. If you want the video as background or bottom, just move it to the bottom. Now you can resize the photo and move to anywhere you like. To prevent it moving, click the lock. When it's unlocked, you can move it around to set it. Once it's done, lock it. You can also add text on the screen. Give a title for your text. You can choose any type of fonts and sizes. If it's too boring, you can change the color of the font. Double-click the text. Scroll down. Look for the word color. Here you can change the color of the font. You can even change the background color and the opacity of it. I personally prefer gradient color for my fonts. So instead of plain white or plain yellow, my fonts are gradient from yellow to orange. If you want to make your text more lively, click Filters. Click Add. Select Scroll. Play around with the speed as you like. Set the speed as you desire. Enter spacebar for gap between the words. Next, we will add another scene for the actual live stream. I name it iPad because I'm using iPad for live streaming. At the iPad scene, add your sources. For live stream, I add video capture device. Put a name as you like, or just proceed if you are using one capture card only. It should automatically show the capture card, or you can find it. Tick the custom audio device to get the gameplay audio from the iPad. Now you can see the audio mixer bar is moving. Move it and scale it to organize the layout as you wish. Remember to lock it in position. Now I will add an image to my screen. I name it Sidebar. Find your pre-ready photo. Again, move it to your required position and lock it. You can even add a video clip. Now I would like to add a text on my screen. This is especially useful whenever I create custom room and I needed to show the viewer the password and the ID of the room. Now I will remove it and show you a simple way of copy and paste. Find the text that you desire, copy it, Go to the iPad scene and paste duplicate. Right-click to rename it. This way you don't have to reset everything from the beginning. I name this ID password. You can edit the text here as you go. In order for you to play and chat with teammates and audio still going to the live stream, go to Advanced Audio Properties. For the video capture device, make sure select Monitor and Output. Next, we will go to Facebook Creator Studio. Find Go Live on the top right column. This will bring you to Live Producer. Fill up the title and description. Tag a game and choose a thumbnail image that you prepared. Make sure to use Stream Key. At the Setup option, use Persistent Key. Copy the Stream Key. Go to Setting. Go Stream. Select Facebook. And paste your Stream Key there. In case you want to delay the live stream, go to Advanced Setting, set the desired delay amount of time. Now you're ready to go. Click Start Streaming. Once you click Start at OBS, you'll be able to go live at Facebook. Good luck and happy streaming.